This is not the kind of usual stand-up video which I create, but it is a personal message from my side to my manager. Dear manager, you do know that we do not work in the normal 9 to 6 p.m. shift, and therefore for a guy like me who was recently married, it was kind of difficult for me to spend some more time with my wife during the weekdays. But under this lockdown, when she is with me 24/7, my perspective has kind of actually changed. I have realized that I miss you, manager. You would remember times back then, whenever my day was supposed to be ending, I would be packing my bags to leave for home, and then just you would ping me, email me with a bunch of messages. You never actually said it directly, but now I understand that you actually wanted to spend some more time with me. In my relationship with wife, what I usually do is that every 15th day I say her a sorry. Then she would realize that it was being said for which particular issues, analyze it and say, Dharmit, that was okay, but take care from next time. Just yesterday, I sent you a sorry email. You did not even ask why. You reverted saying that it's okay, Dharmit, but take care from next time. I kind of remember the rough patch which we were going through once. We had those trust issues. Because whenever I used to create any sort of file, you had to review it. For all the numbers I had mentioned in the presentation, you would ask me that, Dharmit, how did you get to this particular number? Sometimes it was only the slide number. Once, just for fun, I sent you a blank Excel file, for which also you reverted me with the list of formatting changes I had to make. I understand that you wanted the best out of me, but that was the tipping point for me. But just the next day, on the client conference call, you actually spoke about my numbers with so much of confidence and backstory, which I also never understood really. And when the client was cross-questioning me, you actually took my side. At that particular moment, I understood that deep down, you really cared for me. You know what? I kind of remember all the important dates which we have shared. The day when I joined your project, the day when we first went for our team dinner, the day when you started those one-on-one catch-up calls that actually kind of brought us more closer. I'm still waiting for the day when you would email me, great work Dharmit. I would surely snip it, create a frame and put it on my desk as one of the best accomplishments I have had under you. You have made me kind of a better person I am. Because earlier whenever I used to call my friend, I was like, kya kar raha hai be? But now whenever I call them, I'm like, good morning friend. How are you? I am doing good, thank you for asking. How's the weather over there? He lives in my society. But you have made me this polite person I am today. Remember whenever we used to cross the aisle and we did not have any small topics in mind? We shared those awkward fake laughs. That was kind of the best gift you could have given me in the times of my marriage. I understand. I understand that I might not be your favorite. Because on those Skype conference calls, you would not ping me asking that, listen to those discussions, Dharmit, what do you think we should be doing? But you would be pinging me saying, listen to those discussions, Dharmit, because you would be creating the MOM after the call. And I have kind of accepted it. Every partnership is not perfect. But maybe under this lockdown, things are getting far worse. Now, whenever I call you, you are like, Dharmit, I can't hear you. What are you trying to say? I am not able to understand you, Dharmit. Now between you and me, we are having this connectivity issues. Maybe this long distance is not for us. But I am still waiting for the day when the lockdown would be lifted and we would again slog for those extra hours. We would go on the team dinners. We would have those one-on-one catch-up calls, and most importantly, we would be together.
Dharmit, we had a second anniversary this week and you did not even write 2 lines for me. તને આજે જમવાનું મળવાનું જ નથી.
But I miss you, manager.